Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing another odd job on the Bolens HT20. The odd job is fixing the exhaust, which as you can see isn't just in the upright position, it's tilting backwards. On the exhaust tilting backwards you can actually feel underneath that it's been pushed backwards. And what we think's happened is probably something like a tree branch has been hit and it's knocked the exhaust backwards. So we'll need to make that straight. And the exhaust is held on by these 4 bolts on the manifold, which we've been spraying with a releasing agent, and so far we've only got 3 of them unstuck. And to put this down here, you use one of these brackets, which we got from America, which mounts on the side of the engine, somewhere here on these 2 bolts. And this exhaust will go flat and lay in this. The bolt that we can't get undone is the one that's the hardest to get to, the bottom right. As you can see, we've put some heat protection around the manifold, and we're going to hit it with our monster propane torch. With thanks to the propane torch, we've got all of the nuts off now. We had a bit of a fire where we think the releasing agent had caught, so our good old fire extinguisher was needed. Although there's no damage done to the tractor. And while we were letting that cool, we attached the exhaust bracket there. Anyway, let's see if this will come off. That seemed to come off very easily. We've got the exhaust on the bench now. It's not the original exhaust, but it looks quite good as a replacement one. Something we have noticed though, that if I put the torch right up against the exhaust here, on a couple of these spots you can see light through it, which means there's holes. So we're going to have to clean up this joint here and then re-weld it. We've now welded this up and we put this in the vise and tried bending it, and we think we've got this bit straight now. But we're not fully sure, so we're going to test it on the tractor. That fits on there nicely. Although, something we do need to do is trim this down a bit because it sticks out a lot. So we've put a mark here for where we think we need to cut it. We've cut the angle on the end of the exhaust pipe now. And we did this using our least favourite metalworking tool. And what we need to do now is clean up some of these sharp edges. These edges have cleaned up nicely now. And now that we've cut that angle on, let's show you what it looks like on the tractor. That fitment's a lot better on there now, and it suits the tractor well. But what would make it suit the tractor even more is a lick of black paint. And me and Dad have just found this heat-resistant paint. Goes up to 650 degrees Celsius or 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've got some homework to do. So I'll go and do that as quickly as possible, and I'll leave Dad painting this. And we'll give you an update well, on the video it'll be a couple of seconds away, but I'll try and get my homework done as quick as possible. A bit of time later, and we have a fully painted exhaust pipe. And we've also got here some brass nuts and some exhaust assembly paste. But before we start using them, let's see what it looks like on the tractor. We've got the exhaust pipe mounted on the tractor now. Makes the tractor look a lot more original, and with a lick of paint the exhaust pipe looks a lot better than the rusty bent exhaust pipe that it was before. And it's another good job done on the HT20. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.